Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic AI videos with InVideo AI and make your generated content look more natural, detailed, and engaging. First, open InVideo AI and start a new video project. Before you begin, decide exactly what you want the video to show and how you want the final result to look. Next, write a detailed prompt. Describe the subject, environment, actions, camera perspective, lighting, mood, and overall visual style. Try to avoid vague instructions. The more specific your prompt is, the easier it can be for the AI to understand the type of video you want. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the initial video. When the video is ready, preview every scene carefully. Start by checking whether the visuals match your original idea. Look for natural-looking subjects, realistic environments, and visuals that make sense with the narration. Next, review the scene composition. Make sure the main subject is clearly visible and that the background doesn't distract from the important parts of the video. You should also pay attention to lighting and color consistency. Different scenes should feel like they belong to the same video. Now review the AI voiceover. Choose a natural-sounding voice that matches the topic and audience. Make sure the narration is clear and doesn't sound too fast or unnatural. Next, check the visuals against the narration. When the voiceover explains a specific point, the corresponding image or video should support that information. Avoid adding unnecessary effects or transitions. A clean and simple presentation can often make an AI video feel more realistic. You can also improve realism by using relevant supporting footage, screenshots, product visuals, or other media that accurately represents the topic. If a scene doesn't look right, replace the visual or modify the instructions and generate an improved version. Next, review the subtitles and on-screen text. Keep them readable and make sure they don't cover important parts of the visuals.